In this section, we'll learn how to start using Pandas and Matplotlib to visualize datasets and create plots and charts. We will cover line charts, bar charts, histograms, box plots, area charts, and scatter plots, among others. We will also cover how to customize these charts and make them interactive. In the current video, we will start with introducing Matplotlib with simple line charts, and then we'll read a real dataset into Pandas to create customized plots. Let's get started. We are using a Jupyter notebook for this demo. We start with importing required Python modules, including Pandas and Matplotlib. We also executed code Matplotlib inline to tell Jupyter notebooks to display our plots inline in the notebook itself in the browser. Let's get plotting. With Matplotlib, you can start plotting a simple plot with very few lines of code. Here we create a line chart with the sample data. We just applied a single list of values. Matplotlib assumes these are y-axis values and splice its own x-axis with values starting from 0. We can very easily provide our own x-axis. However, these were very simple charts with the test data we created. Let's read in a real dataset and create some plots on that dataset. First, we read our dataset into a Pandas data frame. Our dataset has 16,598 records with 11 observations or columns each. This dataset is for sales data of video game titles and is available for download from Kaggle. We are also providing this for download with the course itself, along with the code. We are going to start with creating a simple line chart and then go on from there to customize our chart. To begin, we choose which values will go on x-axis and y-axis. We choose sales rank of the video games and global sales for the top 10 games. We pass these two lists of values to plot function. The first parameter is x-axis and second is y-axis. We then call show method to display the plot. This is the most basic plot we can create without any customizations. We are now going to walk through some of the customizations you can do to this plot. Our last plot had no labels, which we can change. We will pass X label and Y label properties of the plot with our labels. When we run the new code, we see that our chart has labels now. Let's add a title to our plot. We do this by passing a value to the title property of the plot. We add a legend by calling the method legend on the plot. We can also change the line properties of the line chart. We can change color by passing a parameter color with color name as a value. We can change the width of the line with line width. We can also change the line style with the line style parameter. We can also change the size of the displayed plot. We do this by calling figure method and passing a fixed size parameter with the values of height and width we want the plot to have. This concludes this demo. This was not an exhaustive list of plot customizations you could do with the line chart, and there is plenty more you can see by referring official Matplotlib documentation. In this video, we learned how to start using Matplotlib and Pandas to start making plots on a real dataset.